Hello everyone, so I'm so excited that we are doing a launch party. Yes, click the link above to help her earn her shooting star kit and her starter kit. Please help her out. If you can't buy right now, feel free to just share the link to help her out. So I wanted to show you some of the amazing Scentsy products we have so you know what to get. We have lots of warmers and wax to choose from. The warmers we have in all sizes and decors and different price ranges. So go check out the warmers. We also have over 80 cents of bars to pick from. Wonderful high quality bars. They all come in little cubes. They will last 75 to 100 hours of on time. Depending on how many cubes you put in, depends on how strong the scent throw is. But we also have great deals. Make sure to check out the bundle and save. If you just want wax, you can buy 5 bars, get 1 free. That is one of the best deals with the bars. Or if you don't have a warmer or you want to get another warmer, you can get warmers and bars in the bundle and save. The more you get, the more you save. So check out the bundle and save. Also check out the clearance section. We got lots of great deals that just came out. So a lot of great products in there. Now I wanted to talk about the pods that we have and the systems that go with it. Pods, they come with 2 each, are just little beads inside. If you're worried about the wax spilling, maybe you have kids or pets that you're worried might get into the wax with the warmers, then the pods is a great way because they can't spill. We have little mini fans, wall fan diffusers, Scentsy Goes, or even air purifiers. Yes, you can clean the air and make it smell good at the same time. We also have on-the-go products, Scentsy packs, and no, you get one of these with each Scentsy buddy too. I'll talk about those. We got scent circles or car bars or room sprays, or we have the beautiful fragrance flowers right here. They have oils in them. The oil is soaked up in the flower and makes your room smell great for 30 to 60 days of on time. 30 to 60 days while it's on, and then you can just throw it away and get a new one. They are beautiful and make great gifts. We have the kids line. We got buddies and buddy clips. Now the Scentsy buddies each come with a scent pack, so it smells good, and the buddy clips are pre-scented. We also have licensed buddies and licensed warmers, so check out the licensed collection. We got Harry Potter, we got DC, we got Star Wars, Mandalorian, princesses, so many wonderful collections and licensed products, so go make sure to check that out. We also have body line. Yes, body wash, hand soap, hand cream, body cream, lots of great things. Laundry line, if you want your laundry to smell good, check out the laundry line. The washer whiffs and laundry liquid and dryer discs are amazing. And we got clean line. Yes, we got bathroom cleaner, counter clean, and all-purpose cleaner. Great way to clean your house and make it smell good. Okay, so that was a brief description of some of the amazing products we have. Make sure to click the link to buy and help her earn this starter kit at no out-of-pocket cost and the shooting star kit. So thanks for watching. Click on the link or share above. Bye.